Hello, people. I have bought this
TIG arc welder.
TIG arc welder many moons ago. And I don't know, 10, 20 years ago or something like that. Maybe 10, I don't know. It's a small one. Yeah, but it's enough for me to work on it.
This is our first unboxing of it.
Well, first time I'm going to try to use it. All right. So, are you getting it down here?
Yep.
Down here? Or just the top?
No, I'm getting it.
Youngins. All right. I forgot. So I figured, what the heck? I'll give it a shot, give it a try. I was going to use this on the frame, on the Trans Am back there. So I figure, what the heck? This is not a high voltage. I'll give it a shot here on this, what do you call it?
Tailgate.
Tailgate. See that, folks? I forget every time what I'm talking about.
He says he forgets, but I think he's just not wide awake.
Guess what time I woke up?
2 o'clock in the morning?
11:30
Oh, at night.
at night. Now you may ask, what was I doing up at 11:30 at night?
Yeah, what were you doing up at 11:30 at night?
I got woken up
By
by you.
me?
Yeah, you ran downstairs.
Went to go shut the light out, yeah.
Yeah, but in the meantime, as you shut the light out, you turn the light on in the hallway.
Huh.
Woke me up! Hey, trash bag ties.
Yeah. I didn't get to bed till like close to 2 o'clock this morning.
I know.
Mama wanted to watch Temptation Island.
Yeah.
Yes, folks, that is a good show to catch.
What's he say? I don't know. Arc welder, 130 amp. TIG, 90 amp arc. Ooh, 90. Okay. That's not hot, but we'll see. We'll see how it works. I keep the bag in case, what do you call it? Dust. Keep the dust off. Current induction. Power. Yep. All right, folks. Like I said, I'm just going to try it, and we'll see if it works. Bear with me. Where's that piece that I almost burned the building down with?
Sitting there on the ground right by,
Oh. No, that ain't it.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it is.
No, no. Yes, it is. Hello. Let's see what else I can burn down. Oh, Lord, no.
It won't be a second time on that one.
No. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Can't do it. Cannot do it.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't. Oh, that's a 110. That's a 220.
The big one?
Yeah, that one right there.
Huh.
220.
Be right back, folks. You might want to move a little out of the way. They can't see what you were welding.
Doesn't matter. Look at that weld.
Hmm.
Look at that weld. Came out good. Now it's better than the other one. Guess what? My new toy. Okay, you want to, okay, I'm going to show them. There it comes. But you got to be careful. Don't leave it sitting on one spot too long because you will blow it. We'll blow a hole. Okay. There we go. And by the way, this self-darkening helmet works great. Works great. There we go again. Ready?
Yeah. Did you turn it down?
Oh, blew it apart. There we go. Let's turn it down. Carl, let's turn it down to about 2.5. All right. It works, folks. It works.
Jeez.
Let me turn this off so I don't get electrocuted.
I think it's more brighter than the other welder.
See? I'm surprised because these electrodes been sitting here for a long time.
Well, folks, as you can see, his new toy works.
And it's been sitting here for, I don't know how many,
About 10, 11 years.
something like that. It works. My new toy. Oh, that's hot. Oh, here we go. Oh, gee. Look at that. Well, it still blew out, but I gotta turn the voltage down.
You gotta adjust it a little bit.
Yeah. Well, anyway, since I was having bad luck the other day, I got some more blades, and I'm gonna cut the other half of this. And
Yeah, we had bad luck with our jigsaw the other day. Our blade broke, so we had to go out and buy new ones.
everything comes to a stop. Oh well. Well, that's it, folks. My new toy. Let me get back to work here, and stay tuned.